just saw these two girls, teenagers, young adults, whatever you call them nowadays, and they had purple faces, had painted their faces purple. And I thought I got them in the video. That was okay for me to film them. And I just went to look and it didn't record. It was so funny. I'm not quite sure what they were doing. I think they thought that was going to be famous. Sorry, it didn't record. Just walking to Asda, get some lunch. It's a bit late. It's 3:10. I've been on phone calls for ages and it's a lovely day. Put Janine up. Who is Janine? Going to the beach I was at yesterday.
How did you get here?
Hello Janine. How did I get here?
How did you get in here?
With the pass. The sky is so blue. Let me show you how blue the sky is. Beautiful. And a seagull. At the beach, little journey. She's called Little Journey because look.
I'm so tall, I don't know what you're on about.
You seem smaller, aren't you? She sunk her feet in the sand. The little bird was having a mud bath, but as soon as I put the camera on him, he stopped. Just had a meal in pub. I give mine a 0. One of the worst meals I've ever had. It was disgusting.
4.
Janine liked hers. You said you liked it, you only gave it a 4.
Yeah, because it could have been better. Like, it wasn't awful.
4 sounds awful to me. Janine's obviously got high standards and expectations. But mine was disgusting, I didn't eat it. After that rubbish meal, I'm now still hungry, and as you can tell, it's getting late. This iPhone is not good in low light conditions. See, that's better. Much better I look. I'm starving. Just knock something over as well. So I verified my YouTube account the other day, 2 days ago, 3 days ago, and I've just noticed it's gone in and put adverts and banners over every single one of my vlogs, and there's no way to take them all off in one go, so I've had to go back in every single one and take all those banners off. You know, like when you're watching a video and a little banner pops up on the bottom, which is just annoying. Yeah, so I've just go through that. So if you see a banner at any point, let me know so I can turn it off. I don't want them on there. Thanks. Enjoy your evening. Oh. Clock's still here. So loud.